Let's set up your new float workstation from Humanscale. Follow these instructions and refer to your user manual as a step-by-step guide. First, make sure you have everything you need. Check that you have all the parts, hardware, and these tools. To attach the feet, turn the base upside down with the legs pointing up. Position the foot over the leg so that the longer portion extends toward the front. Align the 4 holes in the foot with those in the head of the leg. Grab 4 of the M8 30mm button head screws. Use the 5mm hex drive to secure the foot to the leg. Do the same for the second foot. To attach the wing brackets, turn the base back over so it rests on the feet. On the left side, locate the 4 screws on the outside end of the crossbeam where it connects to the leg. Use the 4mm hex driver to loosen the upper front screw until there is 1/8 inch gap under the screw's head. Then use the same hex driver to completely remove the lower front screw and set it aside. Remember, only loosen the upper screw, as removing it will prevent the table from functioning properly. Position the left wing bracket, stamped L, on the end of the crossbeam, extending forward. Replace the lower screw through the bracket into the crossbeam. Tighten both upper and lower screws. Use the 4mm hex driver to install the 2 M6 7mm flathead screws from the top into the flange on the leg. Repeat these steps for the right side. Next, place the tabletop face down on the floor. To attach the work surface, turn the base upside down and position it on the work surface. Align the mounting holes in the crossbeam and wing brackets with the corresponding pilot holes on the work surface. Use the No. 2 Phillips driver to install the 12 No. 10 by 3/4 inch panhead wood screws to secure the base to the work surface. Loosely insert all 12 fasteners before tightening fully. To attach the release paddle, position the release paddle on the work surface by aligning the mounting holes with the corresponding pilot holes on the work surface. Use the No. 2 Phillips driver to install the 4 No. 8 by 1.5 inch panhead wood screws to secure the release paddle to the work surface. Do not over-tighten. If you purchased the optional mounted tension adjuster, installation is easy. To install the mounted tension adjuster handle, install the hexagonal metal shaft to the mounted tension adjuster handle to the tension adjuster screw on the front of the crossbeam. Align the mounting holes with the corresponding pilot holes on the work surface. Use the No. 2 Phillips driver to install the 4 No. 8.5 inch panhead wood screws to secure the handle to the work surface. The barrel adjuster must be installed properly on the paddle for the table to work, so don't rush past this step. Turn the entire float back upright. Remove the shipping safety pin located on the back at the top of the left leg. Now go ahead and set up your workstation with your computer, accessories, etc. Now that the float is assembled, let's get it calibrated. First, squeeze the release paddle. Raise and lower the work surface a few times. Make sure to apply pressure to release the safety brake when raising the table. Make adjustments to the counterbalance tension as needed. Keep an eye on the dial indicator as you make the adjustments. You should not continue to rotate the adjuster once you have reached the minimum or maximum setting. If the work surface is difficult to lift, increase the tension. If the work surface is difficult to lower, decrease the tension. Your float is now fully set up. Use these quick tips for safe and easy operation. Tip 1. For safe operation, Keep a hand on the float and apply weight when adjusting the position. Tip 2. Floats should never be brought to their max height. Shorter people will have a difficult time readjusting it. Tip 3. Extend the life of your float by never slamming the table up or down. Now you're all set. Enjoy your new float workstation and reach out to us if you have any questions.